It seems to be showing a lot less marks. This actually fits underneath. You hear that? Able to fit 15-inch MacBook. You can also use as a weekender bag. And that's one thing which was kind of annoying with my other personal item bag that I got from PLAQUE. It's such a clever mechanism. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing this Monos Metro Duffel bag, which I'm planning to use as a personal item on all my flights. So without further ado, let's just get into it and unbox it. Okay, here it is. I got the color mahogany. They have many different colors. They have this version in nylon. This is the vegan leather, which I was thinking about choosing the color for a really long time, and I decided to get this one. They also have a lighter brown color and also cream, which I wanted to get at the beginning, and then after watching some reviews I decided to get this one because it seems to be showing a lot less marks. So I'm hoping, even if I'm gonna be putting this, you know, obviously on the plane, on the ground, it's not gonna get as dirty as a lighter color. And it comes with this beautiful Monos dust bag. Again, I do advise you to keep this and store all of your items in those dust bags because it's gonna protect it from any dust, debris, and it's just gonna look better for years to come. So okay, so I'm looking on their website right now, and they have 5 different vegan leather options as well as 4 different nylon versions. And I had I don't think it was nylon, but it was just like some kind of black fabric. And yes, it doesn't really get dirty, it doesn't show any use, honestly. It's great, but black is also kind of boring. I wanted something different, so that's why I went with this color, especially that I did get some new suitcases in a beautiful silver color. So when I saw this color combo, mahogany, silver, I was like, this is it. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the bag. It's quite spacious. I did measure everything to make sure that this actually fits underneath the seat. So whenever, like, you know, you sit on a plane, I want to make sure that this is within my reach. I don't want to have to put this personal item in the upper bin compartment because you technically can use it during takeoff and landing, and I want to be able to have access to this personal item bag during those times. So I checked the measurements. Apparently this will fit on majority of flights underneath the seat in front of you, so this way I can always have it with me. And as you can see here, this is a kit, right? That's what they call it. Let me just double check. Okay, this thing is a modular kit system with a quick snap. So they redesigned it apparently, and now you can easily, let me see. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Okay, so there's a little strap here that you pull. You hear that? Okay, this is so satisfying, and then you can just take it out like so. Here you can see it better. Okay, this is neat. So basically you have to kind of know how to detach it, or otherwise if you're just gonna try to pull, it's not gonna let go. You need to know to first pull on this time, and then it's gonna let go. So this is great for keeping like your phone, passport, all the important things that you don't want to dig inside your personal item bag, which, as you can see, it's pretty big. So basically you just have it here, and it's usually like on your side, so it's facing you. I mean, you can also like put it on the other side, and then you have easy access to all the important stuff that you need at the airport. This can also work as a cosmetic bag maybe, or like electronics bag. Oh yeah, you get a lot of pockets here, even a pocket. So, and for your oh wow, this is detachable. That's so cool. Okay, and for your keys you get detachable little, it's pretty clever. So first things first, it comes with like a little strap here. So if, for example, there's a pass-through, let me see, it's on this side? No, it's on this side. Pass-through, okay, it's here. So it's a zippered pass-through. So if you don't want to use this as a pass-through for your handle on the luggage, you can zip it up, and then you have a big, nice big pocket here on this side. So you have pockets on both sides, and this pocket is actually a zippered pocket. So you get a lot of options. You can really customize it. It's very satisfying, all the like snippet sounds. But yeah, if you don't want to use this pass-through because like you are keeping some items here, you can also just use this to strap it on the luggage handle. It's an option, which is nice because it is a pretty like tight pass-through. Like that's one thing which I've noticed with all the luggage, like all the pass-through with even my other bag, it's so incredibly hard to put it on like a suitcase handle, because if you fill this bag, it's even harder to like, you know, basically put it through this pass-through. So I honestly rather just use this to hold on, to basically, you know, keep the bag attached to my suitcase instead. So this bag supposed to be able to fit 15-inch MacBook. I love that the zipper is like dark black, not, you know, regular silver. Like it's actually a really nice fancy color. One thing which I've noticed, that this leather, since it's a vegan leather, it is tough, which obviously that's what you want if you want to like a heavy duty, you know, you don't want the leather to be too soft because it's gonna get damaged easily. But because it's kind of tough, it's also not very flexible. It might change with time, although since it's not, you know, synthetic leather, it may not. Okay, so there are a few different ways of carrying this bag. You can obviously, you know, use this handle. You can keep this like this, but also it has little straps here. You can basically use this nice strap to connect it and then carry it on your arm, which is super convenient. So yeah, this is a great bag that you can also use as a weekender bag. If you just want to pack in one bag, don't bring a suitcase. Even if it's heavy, you can use this strap, very comfortable. So I like the versatility, and that's why I decided on this one, because they had a bigger weekender bag, but it was kind of too big. I don't think it would fit in front of the seat on the plane. And like, this is so spacious already. Like, this is more than I need. It has a nice laptop pocket here. I'll show you some clips. Strap, so it won't fall out. It's a nice felt material, so it won't scratch your laptop and electronics. It's funny, I actually have the same combo on my desk. My mouse pad is this mahogany leather, and my felt pad is this gray color, which is so funny because it's now... And obviously, a part of the laptop pocket, you have two pockets on the side, which is super nice. You can put your water bottle here or some other like smaller items, and there is a zippered pocket. And that's one thing which was kind of annoying with my other personal item bag that I got from PLAQUE, is that there were too many pockets. I can't believe I'm saying this, but there were too many pockets, and I would forget where I put my items, especially that it was all the same color, all black, and I'll be like, I can't find this. And like, you know, at the airport, you're stressed out and I'm looking for it and I can't find it. So something that I thought was a great feature, having a lot of pockets, actually turned out to be. And I honestly keep losing stuff in that bag because it's just so compact and there's so many pockets, too many pockets. So I do like that you have only 4 different sections, so I'm gonna remember where I put stuff, and then you have a big open space here, and it's all nice fabric, very fancy. Yeah, it's a big pocket to close up also for more important stuff. Plus you have this pocket, which I also like. Honestly, this is great. Oh, there's something here. Oh, Metro collection. There's information about this, but this is great. I'm gonna use this pocket a lot, actually, probably even more than this one, because I like to have easy access to like my phone and stuff, so I can use this. I like to have these options, very easy to find stuff, but this is it. So there you have it. I love this detachable. This is such a clever mechanism, because like usually if someone wants to steal something, they would try to rip it off. They won't think to do this. Very clever. But it's nice that you can detach it, because this is like an additional weight, and if you don't wanna, you know, carry it around, you can detach it. But if you need that extra space, this is nice to have. So let me just attach this for you so you can see. That's it. You just press it and it's detached. you can't pull it off. So I like that it's so easy, and so like you need to grab it because like you are at the, you know, checkout counter. You just pull this quickly, take it, you know, keep it with you at the airport when your, you know, suitcase is, you know, by your side, and then you can take it off and just pull whatever you need from it, and then you're done. Put it back. Oh, that's it. You heard that click? This is literally it. Okay, so I do like how smart this is designed. This is very clever. So you can use this side as a front side, or you can use this side, which is nice. But I love the color. I'm really happy I decided to get this one. Last minute change. Literally, I had the cream one in my cart and I was like, this is it. It's gonna look very nice with the silver suitcase. And then last minute, I was like, wait a minute. I do like the brown leather look, and I changed it, and I'm so glad because this looks amazing. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna be testing this bag on the next few flights, but I love all the clips. It's very satisfying to play around with it, honestly, but it's beautiful. The only con that I can think of is, again, it's a very like stiff, tough leather, which could be annoying for someone, especially if you're coming from, you know, a leather bag, because this definitely feels different. But it's vegan, and I hope it's gonna last longer. It's not gonna show as many marks as real leather. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out all the links below in the description. And if you want to find out more reviews on luggage, especially Monos, because I have quite a few reviews. I've been buying their stuff since like 4 years now. I tested a lot of their luggage. There were some suitcases that I didn't like, the Monos Carry-On Pro with the pocket that was black, and just I kind of destroyed it, so I didn't like that one. But there are a few that I do like the hybrid one, if you saw my full review, and I'm gonna be posting more, so tune in, subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.